We all want to feel fresh, confident, and comfortable in our own skin. But let's be honest, taking care of your body can feel like a lot of work. The good news is, you don't need expensive products or complicated routines to keep your skin healthy and glowing. In this video, I'll share simple, effective body care tips that actually work, plus some easy DIYs, must-know do's and don'ts, and the best foods for naturally clear skin. Let's get started. Do's and don'ts for body care. Let's start with the basics. Body care isn't just about putting on fancy lotions and scrubs, it's about daily habits that keep your skin healthy, fresh, and glowing. First, shower regularly, but don't overdo it. Bathing every day is essential for hygiene, but too much hot water can strip your skin of natural oils, making it dry and flaky. Stick to lukewarm water and a gentle body wash that won't leave your skin feeling tight or irritated. Always moisturize right after a shower, when your skin is still damp, to lock in hydration. Trust me, this small step makes a huge difference in how soft and smooth your skin feels. Another big one: always change out of sweaty clothes as soon as possible. Sweat mixed with bacteria is the perfect recipe for body acne, rashes, and irritation. Make sure to wear breathable fabrics like cotton to let your skin breathe. And speaking of clothes, avoid wearing extremely tight ones all the time. Tight clothes can trap sweat and cause breakouts, especially on your back and thighs. After showering, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel instead of rubbing harshly to avoid irritation. Paying attention to areas that are often overlooked, like behind your ears, your neck, and between your toes, ensures proper hygiene. Using a microfiber or soft cotton towel provides a gentler drying experience for easily irritated skin. It's also essential to replace old, damp loofahs or washcloths regularly, as they can harbor bacteria and lead to skin issues. One of the biggest mistakes people make: not using sunscreen. And no, it's not just for your face. Your entire body needs sun protection, especially if you spend a lot of time outdoors. UV rays cause premature aging, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. So apply sunscreen on exposed skin daily and reapply if you're outside for long hours. Even if it's cloudy, the sun's rays can still damage your skin. Lastly, don't use harsh soaps or scrubs every day. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, making it sensitive and dry. Stick to gentle exfoliation 2-3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and keep your skin smooth without overdoing it. DIY remedies for smooth and glowing skin. If you're dealing with rough, dry, or uneven skin, don't worry. You don't need expensive skincare products. Some of the best remedies are sitting in your kitchen right now. One of the best natural exfoliators is an oatmeal and honey scrub. Use the following instructions to make an oatmeal scrub. Oatmeal is gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive skin. If you don't want to use any homemade scrub, buy an exfoliating glove or body sponge. Exfoliating is a must. For deep hydration, try an aloe vera and glycerin mix. Aloe vera calms irritated skin, while glycerin locks in moisture. Just mix equal parts of both and apply a thin layer after showering. This keeps your skin hydrated without feeling greasy. Struggling with body acne? Try a green tea and honey mask. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and mix it with honey. Use a cotton pad or clean hands to apply the mixture. Apply this to problem areas for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Green tea has powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria. Another simple remedy: rose water. Use rose water and store it in a spray bottle. Use it as a refreshing mist throughout the day to keep your skin cool, hydrated, and glowing. It's perfect for summer. Eating habits that improve your skin. You've probably heard the phrase, "You are what you eat." And when it comes to skin, this couldn't be more true. What you put inside your body shows up on your skin, so if you want that natural glow, your diet matters just as much as your skincare routine. First, and most importantly, drink enough water. Dehydration makes your skin look dull, dry, and tired. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if plain water bores you, try infusing it with lemon, cucumber, or mint for extra freshness. Eating more fruits and vegetables can also do wonders for your skin. Foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, help brighten your skin and even out your complexion. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants that fight skin damage. Healthy fats are your best friend when it comes to smooth and soft skin. Foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide essential fatty acids that keep your skin hydrated from within. Cutting out too much healthy fat from your diet can make your skin dry and flaky. At the same time, try to reduce processed and sugary foods. Excess sugar can cause inflammation, leading to breakouts and premature aging. Instead, opt for natural sources of sweetness like fruits and dark chocolate in moderation. You can still enjoy donuts once or twice a week in moderation. Just remember to balance it out with a healthy diet. How to remove tan and darker areas. If you're dealing with stubborn tan lines or darker patches on your skin, don't worry, there are ways to lighten them naturally without damaging your skin. One of the best natural remedies for removing tan is a simple curd and turmeric mask. Curd contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates, while turmeric brightens the skin. Mix a spoonful of curd with a pinch of turmeric, apply it to the tanned areas, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, but make sure to moisturize afterward. For stubborn dark spots, try using papaya and honey. Mash a piece of ripe papaya and mix it with a teaspoon of honey. Apply it to dark areas, let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Papaya contains enzymes that naturally brighten the skin. Lastly, always use sunscreen to prevent further tanning and darkening. Even if you're indoors most of the time, UV rays can still penetrate through windows and affect your skin. Protecting your skin now means fewer dark spots and an even complexion in the long run. Why exercise is also very important. Exercise isn't just great for staying in shape, it also helps your skin look fresh and glowing. When you move your body, it improves blood flow, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your skin. Plus, sweating helps get rid of toxins, which can keep your skin clear. Even simple things like walking, stretching, or yoga can help reduce puffiness and make your skin look healthier. Strength exercises can also make your skin firmer over time. Just remember to shower after sweating to keep your skin clean and moisturized so it stays soft and smooth. And remember, getting enough sleep is just as important as everything else, and you'll see an amazing difference over time. Taking care of your body doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's all about simple, consistent habits that make a big difference over time. From keeping your skin clean and hydrated to eating the right foods and using natural remedies, every little step adds up. And most importantly, be patient. Skin doesn't change overnight, but with the right care, you'll start seeing results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. See you next time.